Guys, welcome to Bass Auto. Can you hear that? How that's running funny? See how the engine is shaking? That's because bad coil packs. We got brand new spark plugs and bad coils. He's got a coil that melted inside. We got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got the new coils. There's a new spark plugs. We got new coils for it. We're gonna have a video and we'll show you how it runs after. Bass Auto, Postal, Iowa.